Hi friends, my name is Ravi Shankar Bilochi and today we're going to talk about how to learn digital marketing for any beginner. So, if you have any questions, you start asking about the questions over here for digital marketing. I will give you a brief about digital marketing and how to start with it. So, in digital marketing, there is two things that you have to learn. There's mainly two things: is Google AdWords, Google, and Facebook. In Google, there's another bifurcation called organic and inorganic. And then Facebook, there's also called organic and inorganic. So from Google in organic, we're gonna learn about the organic and paid. We're gonna learn about the paid marketing today. So in Google, the paid marketing is Google AdWords. In Google, the on page and the off page, right? So today we're gonna focus on only one branch of digital marketing that is called Google AdWords. So it's like how do you start learning for digital marketing as in Google AdWords and then how you learn through it, right? So I will tell you what is Google AdWord is first and then I will tell you how to learn it. So what Google AdWord do is that when you search anything on Google, it gives you a search result with an ad, right? The in Google search result you will see AD as in green color AD. That's in Google search ad, right? Which can be done with the help of Google AdWords. So how do you run Google campaign that we're gonna talk about in this live session today. So before we're gonna do live session, I would like to say hi to all of you, and you can share this video on your social media channels or on your with the friends who wants to learn digital marketing, so that we can proceed with it. And you more the people will join us, more sensible questions we'll have, more questions we have, more intelligent answer we'll have. So yes, go ahead and share with your friends, right? So yes, so we'll talk about Google AdWords. So Google AdWords is about the Google search results and the display and the video. So Google has three properties. It's called search, display, and in display there's called display as in website and display on a website and display as in YouTube. So in search result, what you how you can do Google Ads is go on Google AdWords, sign up there. When you go on Google Ads add up and sign up, they will ask you for a credit card detail. Since it's a B2B platform, you have to enter your credit card detail. So they check about your credibility in terms of, are you a real customer you want to advertise, or you are just a bot or a machine who just want to make an fake account, or who just want to make an account. So Google wants his customers to be minimal, and wants his customer to be serious about the ads. So they ask for the card. So now I was talking about Google AdWords. So in a Google search, you will see four ads on the top and four ads on the bottom. So earlier it used to be three ads on the top and eight ads on the right side of the search results. So you have seen that the right side of the search results does not exist now. It's only the top four and the bottom four has is there now. So Google has changed his way of advertisement. Now it's four ads on the top and four ads on the bottom. So how do they ads these ads comes? So that's the question. So these ads comes on different kind of targeting. This kind of targeting can be on based of keywords. This kind of targeting can be based on the geography, the demography, or the interest of the group. So when you go on Google AdWords, you will find this different ways of targeting. Like how do you want to target? You want to target through Google Ads. You want to target through keywords, through display, through interest, through remarketing, and all. Right. So yes, I've seen a lot of few questions over here. So hi Agbi, hi Mohammed Junaid, hi Kiran, hi Kajol. So yes, you can start asking me questions, and then we can again, So let's answer few questions, 2-3 minutes, and then answer the later part of advertisement. Okay. Till the time you have your questions, I will continue with the lecture. So in Google AdWords, you have to make an ad copy, like what the ad you want to run, and you have to search for the keywords that can be done through the Google Keyword Planner, right? So on the Google Keyword Planner, you have to, like, for example, you want to advertise for a blue T-shirt. So what you will gonna do is write blue T-shirt, and it give you a suggestion of lot of T-shirts. Like you want to search as in blue T-shirt, blue round neck T-shirts, T-shirts, shirts, blue shirts. So all the words related to blue T-shirt, it will give you an option, and you can choose one of them, and then you can choose this winner. So any questions? Interesting facts, sir. How we can apply for Google Ads? So interesting facts. I was telling about this. So how do you apply for Google Ads? Is like you make an account on AdWords. So when you make an account on AdWords, it will ask you to sign up. When you sign up, they will ask you for your card detail. Once you enter your card detail, then you get an option of applying for Google AdWords that is based on different targeting. Do I answer your question? Interesting facts. If yes, please tell me in the comments. So if anybody of you wants to talk about something else, like how to apply for job in Google AdWords or something else. So someone of you has asked that, sir, tell me about SEM. So SEM is search engine marketing. So search engine marketing is the ads that you get on Google is called search engine marketing. So SEM is search engine marketing, and then how you get the ads. Do I answer your question, Kanja? If yes, tell me. And like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to channel so that you get more views and the live session like this. Is it paid or free? So search engine marketing is paid. You have to pay to Google to you have to pay to Google for showing your ads, but it is something on pay per click. So you have to when somebody clicks on your channel, somebody clicks on your ad, then you have to pay. It's not that you can you have to pay for showing it. So it's paid. So I'm writing a few notes on the comment section. You can go and see it, and it will help you. Oh, why it's not getting? Just a second. Yes. So tell me about the career in digital marketing. So yes, the career in digital marketing is very bright. Every company is trying to hire digital marketeers. So the career is very high. So you can see with an example of like whatever it was used to be for a salesperson. So in the early days, in the early 2000, let's say 2012, 2013, It was a salesperson who was you used to go out and sell the product. Now it's us who are the digital marketeer, who who really talks about it, who really markets it, and where the sales start. So yes, the career in digital marketing is very high. Every company is trying to hire a digital marketeer. Every company is trying to hire a digital marketing, and that's why the career is very bright. So choose any one career. Like start with paid marketing. It's easy to learn and easy to learn. So you go on a YouTube. There's a called Google Partner Program. So when you sign up for a Google Partner Program, they will tell you a step by step steps to learn Google Ads, and you will be able to learn learn about the Google Partner Program. So sign up for Google Partner Program. You will be able to learn the Google paid ads. Once you learn about the paid ads, you will understand the importance of the keyword, the content, and everything. And then you can switch from paid to organic. And then organic is SEO, ASO. SEO is search engine optimization, and search engine and ASO is app optimization marketing. So yes, it is, the future is very bright. You can learn a lot about it, and the career is high. Akul Kumar Tiwari, sir, I want to ask about the sales and services engineering in Godrej company. Is it good time for future? Yes. So, sales and service and engineering in Godrej company. Yes, the Godrej company is one of the good companies, so you can go ahead and apply there. Go on the Godrej company's website, check the career page, and there you will be able to apply, submit your resume, and then you will be able to get it. Arjun Raghavendra, scope of digital marketing. So, Arjun, the scope of digital marketing is really high from both end, the customer end, the employee and the employer end. From a customer end, it's easy to sell your product with the help of the digital marketing. Once you know the digital marketing, you can reach more than thousands and lakhs of people at the same point of time. Depends on how many budget you have. So the scope of digital marketing for a consumer and for an advertiser is high. If the scope is high, the market is high, the scope for employment is still high. So every company from big to small are trying to hire digital marketing people. So the small companies, the small stores are now giving this their work to the people who know digital marketing. So the freelancing thing is also high. You can do a freelancing to a lot of people. So yes, the career is really high in terms of digital marketing. So go ahead and ask for start learning through YouTube, start learning through Google Partner Program, and there you will find a certificate. You will have a certificate from Google. Then you can show it to the your clients, and you can start advertising it. So start with the paid ads, and then learn about SEO, search engine optimization. It's little technical. So start with the paid one. It's more strategic than technical. The SEO and is more more technical. So yes, I would not advise you to join any institute for learning digital marketing. It's just that you have to start through you are learning a digital marketing, so you use a digital tool, right? So go on Google Partner Program. You will find a lessons for each thing. Do a certificate of Google Partner Program. You will be certified Google AdWords person. Then do some internship under somebody, and you will find a good job in digital marketing. So start with video learnings, go to Google Partner Program, and then do Google AdWords certification, and then you can be a digital marketing person. So yes, real estate is very. So Neetu Chobe asked is that how you can use digital marketing in real estates. So yes, if you know about digital marketing, a lot of digital marketing tools can be help in real estates. A lot of ads, you will be able to see a lot of ads on flats, a lot of ads about the rental on the flat for sales, and the property for sale. So you will find a lot of sales advertisement on Google. So yes, the Real estate market is high for digital marketing. If you know about how to do search engine marketing, you know about how to go a PPC, pay per click ad, or search ad, you will have a good interview in real estate for digital marketing. Kiran, song editing. So, sir, how I prepare and face-to-face interview? So, Kiran, for preparing a face-to-face interview, write down some basic questions. Write down some basic questions that you will be able to answer. Search on Google the basic questions and you answer. Practice in face in front of your mirror, and you will be able to answer more. So try to learn in a way that if you answer some question, try to make another question within that answer and try to answer that question. So in that way, you will be able to practice a way in a where you will be able to learn a lot of digital marketing thing or a face-to-face interview. Gopal Bopale, tell me about the career in civil engineering, and I'm philodic first college in one dream college. Uh, Gopal, today is about digital marketing, so maybe I would not answer it today. If you have something on about digital marketing, I will answer it today. For civil engineering, go on the videos I have on my channel about civil engineering. Copy paste this question over there, and I will answer in a very detail over there. Thank you, Gopal Bopale. Any questions about digital marketing? So yes, Kanjana also asked like how to get an internship in digital marketing. So it's very simple to get an internship in digital marketing. It's just that you have to apply to the agencies. So there are different digital marketing agencies. So go search for digital marketing agency. Go on their website, check out their mail, send them CV on the mail and saying that I want to apply for Google digital marketing as an intern, and they no, for an intern you don't need a lot of skills, right? So it's just that you have to apply on them. So when you apply on their career page with your CV, they will call you back. Don't ask for a lot of stipend or don't ask for a lot of money. They will hire you. Go there, work with them for 5, 6, 10 days, and then ask them that you want to learn digital marketing. They will teach you a lot about marketing, right? So search digital marketing agency and apply on their career page. Hi Abhishek, you can ask about any questions you have about digital marketing if you want. So ask me anything about digital marketing, that what is the career about it, how do you learn it, or anything that questions you have. I'm answering all those questions right away. So yes, any questions about digital marketing, I'm asking again. Okay, so I will tell you the basic things about digital marketing. So in basic digital marketing, you have to learn through Google Partner Program. There you will learn about the lectures on the display marketing, about the this question distracted me. I will answer it. So you can learn about the display marketing, the keyword marketing, the app install campaigns. So app install campaigns are also something that is going high for a future. So if you're learning digital marketing, also learn about app install campaigns. Learn about organic digital marketing. Organic digital marketing is all about SEO, ASO. In SEO, there's called webmaster, site maps. A lot of other things are there. So start from the YouTube, start about learning from how to do digital marketing in there, and then you will be able to find it. Sheikh Tomer Nover. So Abhishek asked me how to get into digital marketing. So yes, that's what I'm saying. So if you want to get into digital marketing, start with an internship, go to a digital marketing agency, search digital marketing agency on Google, and then apply with your tendency and your intention that you want to learn digital marketing, and they will see your CV. They know you don't know much about digital marketing. They will, hire you as an intern. Don't ask for much stipend. You will learn about there from there. So this is a one way of, learning digital marketing through the internship. The other way is to get do a Google partner program, do a Google AdWords certification. When you go search for Google AdWords certification, you will find a lot of tutorials by Google to learn on it. Start learning from there. You will have to, complete the course. You have to give the exams online. If you score more than 80% marks in that exam, you will be get a Google AdWords certificate, and then you will be called a Google marketing person, right? So is that answer your questions, Abhishek? If yes, give me a thumbs up here and on the comment section. So Sheikh Tomila asked about, is it worth for BTech student to be a digital marketing person? Yes, it is worth for it is worth for BTech students to be digital marketing. I myself is from BTech background. I did my engineering from Delhi College of Engineering, and only BTech people, not only BTech people, but mostly BTech people will be able to go into digital marketing because it's an it's a technical subject. It's a technical skill. So when you do search engine marketing, SEO, you have to understand a little bit about the HTML code. You have to understand a little bit about uh, JavaScript. You have to little bit understand about the technical and the coding part of it. So for a BTech student, it's a very bright future in digital marketing. If you are from a good college or if you are from BTech, then you start learning about digital marketing, start learning from paid Google ads, and then SEO, search engine optimization, then ASO, app store optimization, right? So yes, for any person who's a BTech student, is a good digital marketing is a good career. Yes. So Pankaj asked me a very bright question. I'm happy that you asked it. There is no cost for learning Google. There's no cost for there's no cost for learning digital marketing through Google Partner Program. It's free. You just have to sign up with your email ID. I will advise it. Sign up with your real email ID, not with the stud@gmail.com. Sign up with the Ravi Bilochi @gmail.com. So don't go with that fake email ID, stud@gmail.com or superstar@gmail.com. Sign up with the real ID. Do the digital marketing program. It's free for you. And once you do it, the exam is also free for you, but only the thing is that you have to score 80% of the marks, and then you are a digital marketing person like me, right? So start with that certification. You will get more projects. You will get more insights. I will start something over as a digital marketing suggestion over my channel, and in a community, on the community part, I regularly post on the community section on my YouTube channel. You can ask questions over there with me. I will answer them within like 5 minutes. All of sort of questions I answer them in literally 5 minutes. So ask digital marketing questions over there. I will answer your questions like how to learn, how to test, and how to get the projects, how to get internships. I will answer all their questions in the there. For Pankaj, did I answer your question? If yes, give me thumbs up in the comment section. Uh, Raviteja 97V, I didn't get your questions. Can you ask it again, please? BTech, which group people are preferable? I don't get your question. Ask it. Ask me again. I will answer it. So Abhishek asked me what is the minimum salary you get for Google marketing. So again, you asked the right question. So in Google marketing, there's no basic cost about it. It's about the budget of the campaign budget you are handling. For example, if you are working for a company, their monthly budget is like 30 lakh, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, then you will get a decent salary like 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees. But if you're working for a company, their basic campaign size is like monthly size like 1 lakh, 2 lakh. They will not be able to pay a high to you. But if you're a digital marketing person, 20-30,000 rupees is something basic that you get in. Sorry. 20-30,000 is something that you get in a basic, as a basic salary in any company. So yes, it's a very bright future, high earning future. So 20-30,000 is something that you can expect if you learn how to do Google, how to do paid marketing, SEO, ASO, and you have done some internship. There's something 30,000 rupees, something you're gonna earn. Guys, share this with your share this on the Facebook and share it with some friend who's learning digital marketing. So he will be able to ask a good questions over here, or then I will have a good answer. So share it some with someone who's into digital marketing, right? Nameshake, you are a little late. I already explained it many a times, like how to start Google marketing. So again, answering it again for you. Start with the Google Partner Program. Learn some lectures in YouTube. Apply for Google AdWords certification. You will get the certificate for free, and then you will call a digital marketing person. Search for digital marketing agency. Apply there. Do some internship, and you will start your business in Google marketing. Right? If I answer a question, give me a thumbs up. Name shake. Yes. Any other question, please? Yes. Thank you. So it's only 3 minutes. So tell me something about yourself. How you doing? How you doing in your life? Anything else is going on? Abhishek again asked a question, so I have to answer it. So Abhishek, there's no best companies. I told you search for digital marketing agencies. Search for the agencies which are in their in your location, nearby location, and then you can really go for it. No, it has to be convenient for you to go to the company, right? It's not that you find the best company in US and you will be able to go there, right? So search for the digital marketing agency. The ads will come up in your nearby places. Go in their career pages and apply. Right? Did I answer your question? So it's only 3 minutes that we have to submit this and have to over this sessions. What about promotion? So if you work good, you will have a good promotion. That's it. So yes, career growth in digital marketing is high. I told you it's a very growing field. You will get a lot of job in the future. You will get a lot of promotion in the future. Just focus on your learning things, on your learning about digital marketing. Learn as much as you know, as much as you have knowledge, the more you will be able to perform, the more you will be able to generate business for them, and you will have more business, right? So digital marketing courses, there are two, three types of digital marketing courses. One is the uh, organic marketing. It's called SEO. There's called paid marketing, called Google AdWords. Then there's called Facebook ads. There's another field to it. And then LinkedIn, Twitter are another field to it. So yes, there are different courses that you should. So you start with the Google and Facebook, and rest will be taken care. No, no, Kanjan. No coding background is required for digital marketing. You can, go with a full, zero knowledge of coding. It's just the strategy part that you can learn. So if you have no coding knowledge, then go start with Google AdWords. So only 30 seconds to go. Any other questions? Then I will close this up. Okay, then bye. Take care. Okay, so I'm going to post this just last few things. I'm going to post this video on my channel you go and ask as many as questions in the comment section of this of the video, and then I will answer all your questions, right? So no problem. If you have left your questions, just go on my channel, search for this digital marketing video, and I will answer all your questions. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye guys, take care.